Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Tia. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how I did this particular eye look using some of the pressed shadows from Younique Cosmetics collections. This month, November 2019, whenever you're watching this month only, they have a really cool Kudos bundles. Normally a eyeshadow palette about this size with 4 colors is $52 or $54 on their website, but this month only they have a special deal where you can pick 4 colors. Here's my little palette that I've been building. I have a few extra colors that I have in individual ones, but they really have some pretty amazing colors. I used these 3 colors. Well, I used these 2 colors and that color, and then one color from one of their limited edition Beloved palette. But this month you can pick 4 pressed shadows of any kind. You get a palette, a magnetic palette for it to go in. You get a makeup brush. A makeup brush. This does not look like a makeup brush. You get a makeup bag, and you also get your choice of their mascaras. You can get the regular mascara. You can get it in black, brown, or waterproof, or you can get their new really hot product, the 4D mascara. You can choose, and it's like 65 bucks. It's 25% off. You're basically getting 50% off a mascara and a free makeup bag. It's a great deal. I'll make sure that a link to the Kudos is in the description box below. But if another presenter sent you this video, by all means reach out to her and grab you one of those this month. If you need help picking out colors, contact myself or your presenter and get you one. So here's how I did this look today.
Pull up, headshot, sit down, stand up, pass out, wake up, fade it, fade it, fade it. I never meant to cause you any sorrow. I never meant to cause you any pain. See you laughing. I only wanted to see you laughing in the purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. To be a weekend lover, I only wanted to be some kind of friend. Baby, I can never steal you from another. It's such a shame. Our friendship has to end. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. I only wanted to see you laughing in the purple rain. Honey, I know, times are changing. It's time we all reach out for something new. That means you too. You say you want a leader, but you can't seem to make up your mind. I think you better close it.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If this video helped you in any way, or if you found any value, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, follow, whatever the option is to support your girl on this media. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Pull up, headshot, sit down.